Welcome! In front of me I have Fitbit Sense 2 and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this watch. Before we start, if you want to factory reset your watch, make sure that the battery level on your watch is at least above 20 or 30%, because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your watch. Now let's continue with the reset. So first thing we need to do is to press and hold the side button, and we need to keep holding it until we see the Fitbit logo flashing on the screen. So let's press and hold the button, keep holding it. Keep holding it until you see the logo flashing, then press and hold the button again. And once you see this logo in the circle, you can release the button, and then we can wait until the resetting process is complete. Okay, and once you see the list of languages on the screen, that means that the factory reset is complete. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.